President Donald Trump has signed an executive order directing the Federal Reserve to explore expanding access to its payment rails for fintech companies and non-bank financial institutions. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The executive order aims to streamline regulations and promote greater financial innovation and collaboration between fintechs, traditional banks, and regulators. It specifically asks the Fed to review legal, regulatory, and policy frameworks governing access to Reserve Bank payment accounts and services. Under the directive, the Federal Reserve must evaluate its existing legal authorities and present a clear options for broadening access to uninsured depository institutions and non-bank firms. The Fed had already begun exploring a skinny master account model last year to provide basic payment services to fintechs without full banking charters. Crypto firm Kraken recently became the first digital asset bank to secure a master account, while companies like Wise and Ripple are also seeking similar access. The executive order further instructs the Fed and other regulators to update existing regulations, guidance, and supervisory practices to reduce barriers to foster greater competition and innovation in the financial sector. Let's look into today's headlines. Sam Altman invests Rs 1,700 crore in startup aiming to slow aging. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has invested nearly $180 million in Retro Biosciences, a startup aiming to slow aging and fight diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Retro is collaborating with OpenAI for an AI model called GPT-4b Micro. The firm is trying to reset aging cells into a younger biological state without fully converting them into stem cells. This tech will help design proteins faster and find solutions scientists might miss on their own. The firm says that it is making real progress. Tesla reportedly pauses plans to set up factory in India. Ending nearly a decade of negotiations, false starts, and broken promises with the Indian government, Tesla has officially confirmed that it will not build a manufacturing facility in India. India's Minister of Heavy Industries H.D. Kumaraswamy confirmed the decision on May 19th, putting a definitive end to one of the longest running negotiations in the global EV industry. While Tesla wanted lower import tariffs before committing capital to a factory, India wanted a factory commitment before lowering tariffs. Apple Intelligence to power accessibility features on iPhone. Apple has announced a new set of accessibility updates powered by Apple Intelligence that are coming later this year across iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and Apple Vision Pro. Apple states that these new features will improve how users with visual, hearing, physical, and learning disabilities interact with Apple devices. The updates include more detailed image descriptions in voice-over, natural language navigation in voice control, AI-generated subtitles for videos without captions, and new eye-tracking wheelchair controls on Apple Vision Pro. Dipinder Goyal's startup Temple picks Zetwerk, ethereal machines for production scale-up. Dipinder Goyal's wearable technology startup Temple has partnered with manufacturing firms Zetwerk and Ethereal Machines as it prepares to ramp up production and expand operations. Temple was founded more than a year ago by the Ethereal founder and is building wearable devices designed to monitor brain flow continuously through a sensor-based patch placed near the user's temple. The startup has already started shipping its first batch of around 100 devices and plans to gradually increase output over the next few weeks. Pace Digitech wins Rs 264.65 crore BharatNet project from BSNL. Pace Digitech has secured a Rs 264.65 crore contract from Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, that is BSNL, for BharatNet network deployment work in the Sikkim Telecom Circle. According to a regulatory filing filed with stock exchanges, the contract is tied to the government-backed BharatNet program, which aims to expand high-speed broadband connectivity across rural and remote regions of India. The project includes design, supply, construction, installation, upgradation, operation, and maintenance of the middle mile network infrastructure in Sikkim. The total contract value stands at Rs 2,646.50 million, including GST. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.